Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. So let's take a look at how Defiance did for this week. So it looks like the overall net assets decreased a bit from the short week down to for the end of May and into early June. So right now they're standing at in total about 559 million. So it's not too bad. So let's see individually how they did. So let's take a look at IWMY. So again, if you're new, this is the total of the market value on the top, and then I broke it down by the asset type, by treasuries, by the cash holdings, and then the value of the options, because most of them are short options, so most of these guys will have a negative value. And then I did the same thing, but for per share. So IWMY is around $15.80 at the end of last week, and then it broke it down by treasuries, cash, and options. And then you can see for the start of the new week, so you can see, okay, so it's not too bad. It dipped a little bit in terms of overall market value. Unfortunately, also the share price dipped a bit as well. So hopefully they can recover for the new week, since it'll be longer. Maybe there'll be a chance to kind of catch up a little bit. And then for JEPY, so we start off with 129 million, and then the sum per share is $16.44. So let's see how they did for the coming week. So again, a slight dip, and then the per share is $15.83. So let's take a look at QQQY. So this guy went from 254 million at $15.24 per share. Let's take a look at the new week. Again, a dip, and down to 245 million. So it's not too bad, but not the greatest either. So let's take a look at SPYT. So I think we have to kind of be careful with SPYT, especially if you're already in it. I've noticed the share count has been steadily increasing. This is good and it's bad. I guess people want something more stable, so I think that's why people are kind of moving into this particular fund. But again, if too many people crowd in at the same time, you're the per share, it's gonna suffer. So just be careful with that. So we have 15 million from last week, and then almost $20, so 1997 from last week. And then for the new week, the projection is around $19.57, and 18. And again, the market value increased, but there's also a share count increase. So again, just be careful with that. And then Trez, well, Trez has been kind of stuck at around 3 million, and then the share price is 17.22. So let's see what they have for the new week. So again, they kind of stuck around 3 million mark, and then the share price decreased a little bit for Trez. And then let's take a look at the new guy, USOY. So again, 3 million, $20.01 from last week. And then let's see for the new week. Unfortunately, it took a dip, lost some market value here, down to $19.18. So hopefully this recovers slowly. But again, since oil is kind of there's geopolitical and macro things going on, so in a way, if things get more peaceful, oil I don't expect to increase that much. But then there's also the economic factor of if the overall global economy grows again, then I expect oil to kind of perform well again too. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope for both peace and for economic recovery. So let's take a look at to see if there's any discounts. Even though I don't think there will be much discounts, since it was also a short week, and people tend to kind of overpay. So this is interesting. So kind of on Friday, this is kind of the best you can hope for. There's not that much of a, people aren't overpaying too much on Friday. Either that or people just peace out on the weekend. And then let's take a look at JPY to see if it's the same, if this is the same thing. Yeah, so JPY looks pretty similar, where most of the time people are paying like a small premium for like these ETFs, but then like on Friday, people kind of like chilled out a little bit. So in a way, that's good. You don't want people to overpay too much. And then let's take a look at QQQY. Yep, same thing. So, and I'm guessing it's probably going to be the same thing for like the rest of the guys over here. So let's take a look at SPYT to see if these. Okay, so yeah, same thing. Let's take a look at Trez. Yep, similar. And then and then the last guy USOY. Let's see. All right, so people aren't I guess like for the short week, like people kind of overpaid a little bit, and then like on Friday, people just like relaxed. So thank you for watching. I hope people have a great rest of the weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.